How to remove members from Instagram group chat. Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you step by step on how to remove people from Instagram group chat. So to remove someone from your Instagram group chat, all you have to do now, after you open up your Instagram like this now, tap on this message section at the top right side. After you open this message section now, scroll to down now and open your group. So I'll go ahead and tap on this group. So after you open the group like this, all you have to do now to remove someone on the group, now tap on the group name at the top. After you tap on the group name, now all you have to do now, tap on this people section, tap on it. After you tap on these people, now you can be able to see all the members of the group. As you can see now, here is all the members of the groups. So if you want to remove someone on the group from the group, all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this plus button beside the facing name, this three icon. As you can see now, tap on this three dot beside the facing name and tap on this remove user button. So as you can see now, I removed the person from this Instagram group chat. That's it guys on how to remove members or how to remove someone from Instagram group chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.